and welcome to Vlogmas. Come, ready? Welcome to Vlogmas. I saw the little 5 days off. You forget?
How much you do?
Alright, 17. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. It's day 17, y'all. We're at the mall. Von Mills to be exact. We're doing some eye shopping. I might leave here with something because I've seen 2 little things that I want to pick up already. One of them, I don't know if it meant to be $99.99 or $9.99, but I'm about to go back in there and double check. It's just the lineup was super long, so I didn't bother, but it's literally what I want. So, whoa. And then one other thing, it's so crazy because it was like one of the most recent things that they said that they wanted. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go pick it up because why not? You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, basically window shopping, kind of seeing what we want. Or whatever the case may be. However, if there are some things that I can cross to get today, I might as well get today because I really and truly don't want to come back to Von Mills on the weekend. Like, y'all, it's the week of Christmas, basically the last week before Christmas. So it's gonna be super freaking hectic. Joel loves the rush. I don't. Like, I just like to get in and get out. He does not mind the hustle and bustle. Like, he loves that. He always buys my gifts Christmas Eve and wraps them when I'm sleeping, and then I wake up and I see gifts underneath the tree. And then I don't know why in the last recent years, oh my god, those are the Uggs that I want.
Oh, come in here.
What the hell? I want to see them, the platform ones. How much are they? Day has them. I'm so jealous. No, these ones. The platforms. $195? That's not bad. I'm gonna go to UGG first and see how much they are in UGG. But I want those. Love them. And then I want back my tall back Tims. My tall Tims, the one that came up to my knees. I want back those ones. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. Oh. Anyways, that's what we're doing. So, hit you guys back up with more's happening. Big say hi. I'ma make his pockets hurt this Christmas. Yeah. Oh, you guys. Video hasn't gone up yet because I want to show you guys. I had to finish the video would have been late because this is Sunday, so this is going in the next week. This is gonna be week 4, but yeah, week 3's video would have been late because I still need to finish today. So yeah, and I wanted to give you guys the decorations in week 3. I did not want to wait till week 4, so I'm gonna go home and finish that and then edit the video and put it up. So hopefully by Monday, Tuesday it'll be up. And then yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna show Babe Pro Bass Shops because I'm see the people that I'm wear the hats. I'm gonna need Jamaicans, I tell you. So yeah, but later, guys. You did take a picture here. It's not even a gorilla. It's a bear.
Also, we were trying to go inside in the store.
No, just came here. Not at all. Well, in all my years of passing this place, I've never walked inside, I don't think. But that's so cool. I never even knew there's like a built-in aquarium. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. As a true Jamaican, y'all. It's only right. Ooh, the fish is behind. Oh, shit. Fix your Jackie. It's the fish behind you for me. No. Thank you. Y'all, this is the Hattie ones.
I get booby that one.
How much are they?
That's off.
Huh?
That's enough price.
No, don't put it on my head. Are you crazy? Let me see.
The price right now. Cut off. Yeah,
So cute. My man is just up there, yo. He's like, on my place, this, brother.
I don't think the PROSPEROUS come instead. Time season, we can get that for summer. For the last one,
is that Carhartt? Wow. I haven't seen Carhartt. No, this is not Bass Pro. I haven't seen Carhartt in years, y'all. Like from when I was going to school.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, wow. All right, guys, be back. Oh, you guys, it's Santa. Oh, Merry Christmas. Y'all, come to the mall and come to the shooting range. Hello? What you saying? Like, what? That's crazy. How much is it? $1? See, and I used all my change just a while ago. $1. I mean, nothing's gonna work. It's not working. Guys, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 20. Shit. One last one to see me. No, Sunday. Sunday don't. Sunday. Jesus. What has been happening? Monday, what we do Monday? Oh, Monday I had to, okay, so the reason why the previous weekly vlog was late is because I literally had to finish setting up Candy Cane Lane. It's crazy I'm referring to my house that way, but yeah, I had to finish setting up Candy Cane Lane, and then I also had to record like the whole video, you know, aspect of everything once everything was done and stuff like that. So that's what I did on Monday. So yeah, came home and I basically did that. So I didn't even remember anything about the camera, to be perfectly honest. And then Babe went and started his Christmas shopping Monday, so he came home late to help me record. And then Tuesday, which was yesterday, I just came home and started editing. So I'm gonna go home tonight and finish it. I don't have that much left to edit, and then get that up so that I can have that up hopefully Thursday morning. Jesus, I didn't want to go up that late, but yeah, hopefully Thursday morning. And then yeah, which brings us to today, which is Wednesday, December the 20th, and yeah, we're moving. Christmas is coming whether we want it or not, so that's crazy. But anyways, I just wanted to pop in and say howdy. I will hopefully bring you guys through whatever we do today. There's not really much happening because all the decorations is done, but we're kind of preparing for dinner. But we pretty much got the major things. Like we got the turkey, we got the ham, and yeah. But I do have to play Santa Claus probably later this week and do a lot of like drop-offs, especially this weekend. Christmas is on Monday, so I need everybody to get their stuff by Saturday, especially the night before Christmas baskets, because I need the kids to have those for Sunday so that they can do whatever they need to do for that. So actually I do have a lot of work to do because I need to finish making those, but I gotta wait till payday, which is tomorrow. And yeah, I need to go on Amazon and see what toy stuff I can get for my American kids before I send out their packages, because I know their packages are not going to reach in time. So I just need something from Auntie Zoe for Christmas Day. So yeah. And yeah, and then this vlog is just going to be basically Christmas and everything that happens Christmas. I don't think I'm going to make Christmas a separate, or should I make Christmas a separate vlog? Maybe I will make Christmas a separate vlog and I'll just show you guys the preparation up until Christmas Day. And yeah, we'll do Christmas separate. Sounds like a plan. So yeah, yeah, as I said, I'm at work. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, I look so dry and chappy. Oh my god, I need to fix up myself for Christmas. Can't wait. Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 20. Hold on, where's my co-star? Co-star? Where's my co-star? Joel! Joel! Must I hold on when he never holds on? Basha! So zip up the jacket. Yeah, this is why we can't record in the house, because Joel lives here naked. He's always naked. Why don't you like clothes?
Never born in know.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. No. Number 20. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20.
Yeah. Come on. I can't put that tonight. I make the cut it out and do the right part. I'm gonna put the mix it up tonight.
Why? Everybody likes that part. 1, 2. Everybody likes the bloopers. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Okay, bye. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20, guys. And I'm so happy today. Oh my gosh. So I got a present from work. My boss gave me a gift. Don't know what, well, I think I know part of what it is, but I don't know what all of it is inside of it. So I will see that on Christmas Day, but not open it now. I just hope he never give me my bonus. Hopefully me get a bonus this year, you know, because this year at work it's been kind of rough, you know. So I'm hoping me get a bonus. I'm hoping never put it in the bag because I need it for doing my Christmas shopping. But anyways, I found one of Babe's gifts. I'm currently here trying to wrap it up. And the gift that I got for my mom came, you guys. I'm going to show it to you guys. I think that I will probably post this closer to Christmas So I'm gonna try to, yeah, she won't see it. Yeah, she ain't gonna see it. But anyways, y'all, my mom was asking me when I did the first, I think it was the first weekly vlog, when I had the Chinese food and I showed you guys that I got a calendar. My lady watched the vlog, called me and was like, can I get the calendar that I seen that you had in the video? And I was like, no, absolutely not. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna make my mom a custom calendar, something that she can keep forever. My mom loves pictures. My mom loves posting stuff all over her place. So I figured, why not get a calendar? It looks cute. I have control over how it looks, so it will look proper in her house. So yeah, I went and I made her a custom calendar. I went on Vistaprint and yeah, made her a calendar. So this is the front cover and it's for 2024. I'm just gonna quickly go and show you guys the pages. Month 1 is dedicated to me because I'm her wash belly, and it's my birth month, so see there. And I love that you were able to like literally customize like all the birthdays and stuff. So I'm able to put like all the family members' birthdays or special dates on the calendar. But I love that. I love it. So again, month 1 is me. And then month 2 is her and her son. Because ain't nobody important to her like her boy. Month 3, my grandma. This is the month that my grandma passed away. So I dedicated month 3 to my grandma, which is obviously her mommy. Month 4, oh, okay, well, month 4, y'all don't even know which niece, so I can say, but one of my nieces is pregnant, so I'm going to be a grand or great aunt. I'm going to be a great auntie, y'all. I'm having a niece. A great niece. So yeah, put the ultrasound picture here because she's gonna be coming in April next year. I'm so excited. I feel so old, but I'm so excited. And yeah, all of the people that are born in April that are important in her life. I only forgot one person. Not forgot, but there was just no space, so I just left it to all. Yeah, so my sister's 2 kids, and then as I said, the new baby is coming in April, so she has all of these birthdays to remember in April. In March, it's her month, so she is dedicated to March. And then in June, I just picked up, there's no specific birthdays or anything in June, so nothing even special moments or anything to remember for June. So I put a most recent picture of her and her sisters from my uncle's funeral for June. For month 7, again, I could have put a picture probably of me and Joel, but do I want a picture of me and Joel in my mom's house? I don't know, maybe yeah, I don't know, but I wasn't really thinking about it. I just put this picture from 2 years ago, Thanksgiving. None of these girls have seen these pictures. We took them on my camera and I've never looked back at it, so this will be nice because nobody has these pictures except me. So I dedicated July to that. And then August, me, my sister, my mom. And then September is the month that my uncle passed away, so I put her brother on here with pictures of her and her brother to remember. And then month 10, this is an old picture of me and her grandkids and my sister. Updated one for November, and then for December, her and her siblings this year as well. So that's for my mommy. I love it. I'll be back, battery's dying. Hey guys, really quick, I got a package I want to show you guys because there is a Christmas gift in here. So I have gotten jewelry from this place before. If you guys are OG ZOESHAAA fans or ZOESHAAA supporters, then you guys would have seen me get jewelry from these people before. I got a bracelet, I got a ring, I got earrings, and I still wear them till this day, and that was years ago actually. So shout out to Jeulia for sending me some more jewelry pieces, y'all. Love them. Silver, gold tone, rose gold, black. There's jewelry for your mother, for your father, for your husband, for your children. There's accessories now. Like, they've expanded so much, like, it's absolutely crazy. But like, their stuff is like great quality. I promise y'all, great quality. Like I'm telling you guys, my stuff have not, if them fit turn color, I don't know, but them never turn color yet. And then yeah, there's even like engagement rings, wedding rings, like they literally have everything underneath the sun. They have like Winnie the Pooh stuff. They have all different types of things on their site. It's absolutely amazing. See some of my bag them, yeah? Yeah. So yeah, I have a coupon code. It will be on the screen and in the description box if you guys are interested with shopping with Jeulia. Again, as I said, I love them and I'm so happy I got this bag because I can just put the gift that I need to for the person in here. And I got a little greeting card. That's so cute because one of these is again a gift for somebody, and I'm going to show you guys in a minute. This is a polishing cloth that you get with it as well. So I'm going to give this all to the person. So I got 2 items and I love that everything is just branded, like, oh, love it. Which one is this? Oh, okay, this is the gift. Okay guys, so I got my mom a necklace. Okay, I can put it in there properly. I got my mom a necklace. Oh, it's so dainty and so cute. Okay, let me show you guys. Show you guys against the black. So freaking cute. OMG. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see mine. Mine is so meaningful, but this one is also, but it's so beautiful. So it's a necklace and it says mom. Oh, I think it's so freaking beautiful. Y'all see that? So gorge. So I got that for my mom. Let's see if I can fit this in here so y'all can see it really good. So mom, so yeah, that's my mom's. That's what I got for my mom for Christmas. That and her calendar. Merry Christmas, Mom. Oh, I could cry. Okay, so that's hers, and I'm gonna put it in the little gift box. Put some little tissue paper in there. And that is for my mother. So thank you, Jeulia, for making Christmas great for my mom. And I got this for myself. I should honestly wait until Christmas to open this, but let me show y'all so y'all can go and get some late Christmas gifts for your people them. Ooh, okay, so I feel like as a godmother, me need for everybody to know who my picnic them is. You get me, I say? And I saw this and I was just like, yeah. Oh yeah, I got my thing chain from them, my Zoe or Tingling necklace with my wedding date and everything. I need to find that necklace. It's somewhere here. But anyways, I got a chain. Let me see if this will fit my neck, because this looks, oh yeah, this is perfect. I got a necklace with all of my kitties, Autumn, Kai, and Amelia. Oh my god, I don't ever want to take this off. And then it has the little like diamonds in there. You guys see it? Kai, Autumn, Amelia, and the A's are on the end. Those are the 2 girls, and then my boy in the center. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, I freaking love it. Oh my gosh. So if you guys have never, go now. Again, my coupon code obviously on the screen and in the description box. Thank you so much, Jeulia. It's a pleasure every single time. I am in love. This is so cute. And honestly, I was thinking of getting my mom like one of these ones too with all her kids' names, but my mom doesn't really wear jewelry like that, whereas I do, so she'll love that little mom cute little chain. This is perfect for me. Big up all of the godmother them in the world. Big up we, yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go edit. I'll talk to you guys a little bit later, okay? Okay, bye. Anyways, y'all, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. 23 people. What day 23? Day 23, December 23. Okay, so on a mission this morning. Currently at Walmart. Change what I decided I'm gonna change what I'm getting for my niece. I mean, hear about my niece, my goddaughter. Cause yo, I went to Gap. Okay, don't get me wrong. One tracksuit was $100, and I don't mind spending $100 on her, right? But when you have multiple people on your list, like $100 for one person, no. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing it. So she has a whole list of things that she wants, baby. I'm gonna post the list. I'm just gonna post it so that you guys see what I have to deal with, okay? So yeah, this is my oldest child, so I want to get her something. So as you see, she said that she wants a door mirror. So I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna see if I can get like a hanging. Ooh, almost seen an accident. I'm gonna see if I can get a hanging door mirror or like a standing one, something that she can have for her room. And then see if there's any other, like, cause she said, I wanted a lady, she can't drive. Something seriously wrong with her. Anyways, I'm gonna see if there's that, any other cute stuff. Like she said she wants pillows, blankets, whatever. I'm gonna see, but for sure I want to see if I can at least get her the mirror. And then for my youngest, is Azaria the youngest? Yeah, she's younger. Is she younger than Kai? No, I think she's older than Kai. I think Kai is my youngest. But for Azaria, I want to see, her mom says she likes cocoa melon. I'm going to see if I find anything cocoa melon. If not, I'm just going to see what I see for kids. She's what? 1? 1? One? Yeah, I believe she's 1. So yeah, I'm gonna run in Walmart, pick up that, and then I have to head to Dollar Tree to get some stuff to finish my night before Christmas baskets. Y'all, why are the stores already empty with Christmas stuff? Christmas didn't happen yet and there's already Valentine's stuff out. Valentine's and New Year's, like, what? Wish me luck. It's only 9:54. I really wanted to be here at 7 o'clock for when they open, but I just couldn't sleep last night, so I needed that extra. I needed a little extra in the bed this morning. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Yo, look at this freaking Walmart. Like, this is not what it looked like before. But anyways, on the hunt to get the freaking mirror. I feel like these are so kitty, like, but then again, she's a kid, right? Like, a butterfly, but like almost $20 for one stinking pillow. 40 bucks. Oh, they have some comforter sets. Maybe I should get her something like that. The pink one is cute. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go look for the mirrors. I'll be back. On them. Okay. Ooh, they have a gold one. I was like, I want a gold. How much are they? These are $149. but this is not what she wants. She wants it over the door. Like they have these cheap little ones, but no. This is nice. And that Walmart I went to yesterday had another one that was different. But the gold is nice. How much is it though? Y'all, let me figure this out. I don't see the price. Let me figure it out. I'll be back. Okay guys, winner again, yo. Getting it, $50. Now to go get a cart and pick it up. I'm so happy. Okay, I knew this was the right one to come to. These are nice though. I'm gonna need to get a mirror for our room. Okay, let me hurry up and go get it before somebody comes thief it because it's the only gold one. There, hold on. Love when a win is a win. Alright, y'all, we're in. Everybody is in. Okay, let me get one like a baby dolly. There was this cute little, who was it from? I think it was Leapfrog. This cute little teacup set. But I don't know. I just got her the baby dolly. I just feel like as a girl, as a dolly, we're more prone to play with our dollies. So it's got her a cute little baby dolly. She can like take it to like the bath with her and care for it. It also has, it's a cute little thing. I'll show you guys when I bring it home. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree now. I think I'm gonna need more wrapping paper to wrap this girl's gift. And then I'm gonna need more wrapping paper to wrap this girl's gift. And then I'm going to also need, I think I have, no, I'm gonna get a kitty wrapping paper for Azaria's gift. So I'll get that from Dollar Tree, and then the rest of the books and stuff that I need to finish off the baskets and the cups. So, because those are getting picked up today, because those have to go to Niagara Falls. So, yeah. So I'm going to go to Dollar Tree now, and I will holler back at you guys. I don't think I do need to go on the road. I'm contemplating. Well, now I technically don't, because I basically got everything that I needed for Joel except one thing. So I think I do still need to go on the road, and I think I have to go to Von Mills, but I don't want to go like this. So we'll go home, we'll change first, and then head over to the mall. And then I think I'm done. If I do need to go outside tomorrow, it'll be just to get grocery stuff for Christmas dinner. And then, yeah. I'm so happy. I wanted to get something for my boss. What time is it? 10:29. If I can do that and make it to my office before 12, then we're good. But I do want to get my boss a gift. I'll be back. Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. We have literally one day left, y'all. Okay. Somebody said in the video that I did not show the tree lit. So this is the tree lit with the lights on. Oh, let me turn off the lights. Hold on. Un momento, por favor. Oh, jeez. And even when it's a little bit darker, it's so like, yum, man. But yeah, look for my tree. Look for my tree. It's festive. I'm not telling a lie. Festive bad. Festive bad. Yeah, the place just nice. The place nice. When I ask, the place just nice. Everything, something that I fall down, but I'm free fixing it up for dinner tomorrow. But yeah, yeah, guys, it's been a day. I went to the mall this morning. I had to go get Babe's gift. I ordered pajamas from Amazon. They were delivered on Thursday. Somebody stole them from my house. I had asked a friend to pick it up, but yeah, nobody came and got my stuff, so package is gone. So no my matching pajamas that I got for Christmas are not here, and I'm super upset because they fit the theme so perfect. So I ended up going to find some today. I ended up seeing just these basic red pajamas from Tommy Hilfiger, so I just picked up those. So I just have to wear plain freaking red pajamas. Like, yeah, like the ones that I got were perfect, but it is what it is. So today, just getting ready. I'm about to head back outside. I need to get my nails done. Somebody's about to come and pick up the night before Christmas baskets to bring those to Niagara for me. And I gotta drop off my goddaughter's gift. I have to go see Shan. I need to drop off something for Mario and Romario. And I gotta go to my mom's, pick up some stuff for dinner tomorrow, and then just pick up some last minute stuff for dinner. They made sorrel for me, y'all. I was saying I want sorrel so bad. So bad. Ooh, the ham is out, the turkey is out, okay? The curry oxtail, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm excited for that. But yeah, I was begging for sorrel. The people that met my sorrel. So I gotta go pick up some more because I don't think that is going to last me. And yeah, but y'all, my tree come right round. Yeah, and it just round this, you know. It's something them go back in there, you know, people. It's something them go way back. Yeah, imagine when we have kids. Wow, I love this. But I wanted to show you guys the night before Christmas baskets, how those turned out. So here they are. This is for Anaya. This is for Kennedy. This is for Weston. And I made them all their ornaments. I gotta send the ones for my American kiddos. But yeah, this is something I'm definitely implementing and doing every year. So yeah, Mushy, my bestie. Look at Journey. She's so sweet, man. Oh my god. So yeah, all of that is done, guys. And oh, I had made this was one thing that I definitely wanted to make, my memorial ornament for my uncle. So yeah, I'm mad I didn't get to promote these in time because I got different wings this year. But he is on the tree. Rest in peace, uncle. And I made one for my aunt. I'm just gonna make them for all my family this year and just give those out as gifts this year. But yeah, he's on there. And yeah, so I'm gonna package up these gifts, head out to my nail appointment, come back in, see if I can get do something to my hair. And yeah, I need to change my sheets and yeah, like sweep and just get the house prepared for tomorrow. I don't think a lot of people are coming over, probably just my mama and maybe a cousin or two, but still gotta have the house prepared and all of that kind of stuff. So catch you guys in a little bit. Babe just went outside. I don't know what he went on the road to go and get, but yeah. Oh, wait. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. Merry Christmas! Y'all, that's the pre-Christmas message because it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. No. 1:55. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning, y'all. I'm literally about to sign off. We accomplished a lot today. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. We accomplished a lot today. That's why you guys haven't really seen me. But I've been up from morning, just doing stuff. Babe has been up doing stuff. And yeah, that's why you guys haven't really seen me. I did a really bad job today with vlogging, but it's just, whoa, the malls were hectic, the stores were hectic. Like, I had to pick up stuff from my mom. Like, it's crazy getting stuff ready for the dinner tomorrow. Even though, like, it's not that big of a dinner, it's still a lot of, like, prep work that's going into it. So yeah, but as I said, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. It is December 25th, so you know, it's not really Christmas until you sleep and wake up. So I will see you guys in the morning after I've slept and woken up, and I am so excited. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited that it's Christmas. I can't wait for everybody to open up their gifts. And yeah, I can't wait. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are having an amazing holidays. And yeah, talk to you guys a little bit more in the morning when the festivities are happening. I've decided that I'm just gonna make this one complete vlog because I haven't really done that great of a vlog.
5 minutes or 2 for sure.
Yeah, I haven't done that great of a job vlogging this week, so I'm just gonna
Merry Christmas, you know? Yeah, to the vlog world. Vlog fam, you know?
Yeah.
What, 2023?
Yeah. This has been how
Prosperous 2024.
This has been
19,
20, 21, 22, 20. 5 Christmases with us.
A 5?
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
This is the 5th Christmas, guys.
Long time with them, my friend.
And Christmases are very significant for us. I don't know. It's just a very significant time. We met during like the Christmas time.
Actually, you know, over
so yeah.
December time.
Yeah. We met during Christmas time, so
it's December.
It's very significant time. So yeah, guys. As I said, I'm signing off. I will see you guys in the morning. But again, Merry Christmas. I can't believe it's freaking Christmas. Merry Christmas!
Santa. Santa is coming, people.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day
number 25.
You still don't get it?
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 25.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Prosperous New Year. Santa is here. Have no fear. See me?
Whoa!
More life, more health, more love and more positivity for the 2024 and beyond, you know? You know, I tell you, you know, them say if you have a message every year, you know, me always come with it. So, think about it. 21, 23 or 21, 24, nobody with up on earth now, not gonna be living. Everything we have first more and Ray. you know, so just live and love and enjoy life. Yeah.
Period.
Full stop.
Period.
Merry
Anyways,
Christmas, huh?
we're up. We ate breakfast. Just put on our pajamas. So yeah, gonna go open gifts. I will come back to you guys.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna come with a gift.
So guys, dinner is finally complete. The camera died when we were opening presents, but no, this morning, and then we just went straight into cooking. So yeah, it's, I don't know what time it is right now. 5:07. Everything is done. People them on yam. My plate share. But y'all, look at the display. Okay? 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 I know you guys want to be here. I'm sorry. Next year. Next year. There's so much people we wish we could share with, but next year. Next year. I'm going to consume, so. What do you want to start with first? Hold on. These are mine.
Look here, Zoe.
These are mine to you, and this is Joel's to you. Which one do you want to start with? Oh wait, no, sorry, wrong. So it's supposed to be like this. Sorry. These are mine. That's Joel's. Which one do you want? A, B, or C? Can't take the lady, you know, in the whole laughing.
That's full one.
A, B, or C? A, B, or C?
A.
You need to get them two. We just put them all in front of you. You want to pick one you want that way. Babe, pass me the box cutter, please. It's right there on the desk. You really want to start with that one first?
Let's start with the smiles. Fried chicken.
Backside, yeah, show the people that babe. You're not seeing
Yeah,
the
what's
tutorial.
Yo.
They can't see it like that. They can't see it like that. They're seeing the back. You have to turn it around and show them. Yeah. Wait, is it properly?
Boy,
Can you
sure.
actually see it properly? No, it's not on the right way. There it is. Look. Look now. No, you look now. Can you read what it says? You can't see what I say.
Mom.
Why?
Okay.
All right.
Shut up, Zoe.
I'm dead. Well, save that one for last. Yeah, that one for last. That one's from Jojo. You can use that to open the tape. Can't say it again, but Christmas.
Merry Christmas, huh? Merry Brights.
Wow.
Love it.
Wow, isn't it nice?
Comfy, the
Oh
feeling.
my
Very
god.
nice. Love people.
Yeah,
It's for me.
Wow.
It's my size, you know.
Yeah.
Ooh. And it's green for Christmas.
Oh my gosh, it's so
You know,
nice.
you have to get green on Christmas tea, and
Yeah,
green on
it's
tea.
nice.
I love it. It's
love
so
it.
nice.
It's comfy. I want the bottom now.
Here we are.
Yeah,
I
like
think
that.
about them.
Alright, I don't set. That's it? I don't think I set.
No. But you can get a green bottom.
Oh, okay.
And we would like a set. Thank you. Zoe, can you say me like this something, you know?
No, I think that's all the same things there.
Actually, no.
What do you make me opinion for Zoe? You know don't think we have them as something all mixed.
Yeah, that's not the
That's the last one, you know. Is it that?
use the same something to cut open the ribbon.
I love the shirt. I love it so much.
Wow. So you don't like the chain?
The chain I go here, the two of them I go here.
But you know I don't have chain. Because I never like these things.
Well.
Come on, chain kind of bright up here, look. You know, yeah. The clothes. Yeah.
Never like them.
Jewelry overall.
Like ring and bracelet.
Yeah, enhance the look. Jewelry.
I mean, I love dressy and stuff like that.
Well, that's not too dressy. Just a cute little, you know. Let's tear up the paper now. Okay. Let's see. We have a garbage, you know.
I don't reach this.
Downstairs? You said you wanted a calendar.
The personal one.
You wanted a calendar?
Calendar the personal.
You get calendar. Remember you were just asking me when was the last time you and Trisha were here? Thanksgiving 2021.
I didn't there. 24. Personalized. Should I can zoom it to you?
I did zoom it, but I showed them already. Okay, open it. I want you to look at it. No, start at page 1. Start at page 1.
January?
Yes, start at page 1.
January.
Start at page 1.
January.
Yeah. And on the calendar, like all the dates of like people's birthdays and stuff are there.
Funny.
Oh my.
So like, you can't say if you get nobody's birthday, I don't know.
Chanel's birthday is on there.
No.
Day she born, you know, 10 pound 30
Yeah,
ounce.
you want that? Day she born, 10 pound 30 ounce.
No, 10 pound 13 ounces.
13, oh. 10 pounds 13 ounces.
Oh my
They ever say that,
God.
they don't want you.
Biggest baby on that ward that night, and we couldn't see her till like 10 days after.
Yeah, her heart stopped.
Oh my God. And you know they do all this thing for love, and where does it go?
I don't know, ask them.
Where does it go?
Ask your baby father.
Look at Zoe. Look at that. Who? The bird?
I love that.
This is nice, Zoe. Oh my God. It's the second part.
Yeah, February.
Oh my God. Where you get this picture from?
You took it in Jamaica.
Let me take off tomorrow. Mama. Ooh, my mother. Sure, you don't want to cry.
Sorry.
Oh Lord, look at that.
April, all your April babies. Your great grandchild is coming in April. Hey! Let's see, girl.
I miss you.
Do you? Never think you would have said that. Me never think you would have said that. Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's you.
Yes.
It's
You like it, Mom?
I love it.
Personal. And it's not just a calendar, it's a personal
I
calendar.
love it.
Wow.
I seen you make this.
Did you? You watched my YouTube video?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cause I'm subscribed and I got a notification.
Oh my god.
You're famous.
Oh my god. I feel so special. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 26. It's after 5, almost 6 o'clock in the night. And like I'm literally fully officially just coming out of bed and I'm about to go back in there because I got work tomorrow. But I just came to officially sign off for Vlogmas 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the vlogs, although they were combined into weeklies, but I hope you guys enjoyed the concept. I don't think I will ever be able to do daily Vlogmas unless this becomes my full-time job. So weekly Vlogmas it is, but yeah, we had a time this year. Candy cane theme came together super well. Gift exchange was successful. I feel like Babe loved his gifts. I feel like everybody that I gave gifts to this year loved their gifts, and I was just having that conversation with Babe earlier today too, and I was explaining to him, like, if I don't get anything at Christmas, I'm okay, because just the reactions and how people feel when they receive the gifts that I've thought about or created, that they like, when they love it, when I see their expressions and how they love it, that just makes my heart full. Posting, making sure everybody's belly's full, like all those type of things make my heart full. So I had a great Christmas this year, and yeah, let's see what happens next year. Christmas number 5 with Babe. Yeah, so I hope you guys had yourselves a merry Christmas if you guys celebrate. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. All the best for the new year. Y'all know January, it's my month. So yeah, I'm debating whether or not I should take a break just because I was gone for so long. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I just want to take the rest of the year and just do my thing. So there may not be like new vlogs for the rest of the year. They all just may be the stuff that I have in my archive. So yeah, let's see what happens. But until next time, whatever that is, thank you guys so much for watching all of the weekly Vlogmases if you did not catch up. And we'll see you guys next year, same time, same place. Bye.